Hello kids, let's learn some shapes and color name. These are our shapes, and these are our colors. These are our colors. These are our colors. It is green color. It is violet color. It is purple color. It is blue color. It is red color. It is yellow color. Let us draw these shapes. This is black color. It is heart. Right arrow. It is oval. Rhombus or diamond. It is cross. It is pie or partial circle. It is red color. It is heart. Heart is a shape. Yellow color. It is right arrow. Its direction is rightward. It is green color. Oval, and it has no side. Violet color. It is violet color. This shape is diamond or rhombus. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 2D shape. It is purple color. It is cross. It looks like addition symbol. It is blue color. It is pie or partial circle. Kids, let us recall the shapes and colors name once again. It is heart, red color, right arrow, yellow color, oval, green color, rhombus or diamond, violet color, cross, purple color, pie or partial circle, blue color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.